Go. Hey guys, welcome back to Time for Sci. Today I'm gonna be playing meepcity with its Addy. Please go sub to her channel. Circle. You don't have to do that. You don't have to do that.
Hey guys, I'm a Bisco girl.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm also a freshman.
I'm confused.
Guys, also go subscribe to my YouTube channel because
I need to change my face back to normal.
I have some. Do you want to show them my house, Buck? We're in my house right now. And this is our bedroom.
So this is our bedroom. You don't want this ugly green color.
That's I got purple.
That's yellow.
No, it's purple on my screen.
On my screen, it's yellow.
What did you get?
Pink.
I know, you got purple on my screen.
Yeah. On my screen, it's pink.
So yeah, this is our room, guys. This is our room. And follow me, guys. And here is our movie theater room.
This is our movie theater room. This is actually not my house. Oof. Can we after this tour, can we do a roleplay scene? Like a part 2, but on my channel?
Sure. Are you still recording?
Yes.
Guys, wait, alright, now follow me. So that's the movie theater room.
Oh.
And look, guys, we even have a $2,000 popcorn machine.
Get my popcorn.
If you're wondering what house I have the large estate that was 2,500.
I have the medium estate, which was 1,000.
And this is the living room. I know it's I don't know what I'm gonna do right in this area.
Yeah, me neither.
It's just so plain.
Maybe you could put an art area over here or something.
I don't know.
Maybe a writing area.
Meanwhile,
Meanwhile,
in Zootopia, it won't let me
turn it on.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, and then in here is
My
the
popcorn.
playroom.
This is the playroom. Open the door. Oh! Thank you.
It's doing on the bird.
Wait, you have to
And Oak and Micro Guardian and Flamingo are the posters in my house because those are my 3 favorite Roblox YouTubers.
Wait, Flamingo and what?
Micro Guardian is right here, and then Poke is right here.
Oh.
And this is the bubble machine. I even got a bubble machine. It's Duolingo bird. Did you take a Spanish lesson today, daughter?
No.
Oh no, you must beg for your life in Spanish. And then right here is my gaming desk.
Okay.
I do most of my work here. And then oh my god.
I'm confused.
And then there's a little seat right here. And Bucky, did you see this? I put a little bookshelf thing right here.
Oh.
If Gia Heartbreak is watching the video, comment down below some video
Oh, wow. No, Gia Heartbreak is my friend. She's actually from my school. Gia Heartbreak is from my school.
Look at this ant farm.
Yeah, she got it for me
Oh
when we were... You died! Teleport to me!
Oh!
Teleport to me.
Flying in the sky.
Just teleport to me!
Oh!
I said just teleport to me. Oh, me. Come on!
Oh, thank God.
That's
a life hack. If you ever get stuck,
teleport to somebody.
Teleport to your friend. Oh, and guys, open up the catalog section And if you want to help with some life hacks, you should totally, if you're like trying to get some inexpensive tables.
This is my video, you know.
I know. Go to the school section.
Okay. Let's just move on to the next room.
Oh yeah, the bathroom.
This is the kitchen.
Oh, tell everybody on what happened, like that we got wallpaper and stuff.
So, me and her were role playing off camera, and our meeps. Let me call my meep. Our meeps have ice cream hair. See?
Well, mine did have.
Yeah, yours did. Mine still does. And we looked in our wallpaper and.
What? How are you rolling your meep on the floor? How do you do that?
They just do it by themselves. And we looked in our thing that you decorate your house with, and we went to the wallpapers and floorings, and we saw candy based flooring. And actually, I'm gonna go to my house.
This floor too.
If you go, okay, I'm gonna go to my house and show them. Gotta go inside. You see, I have this wallpaper, and if you look in here, I have all these.
Oh yeah.
And I have these. And
Can you buy me a coffee machine?
Sure. I guess. I don't know.
I want a coffee machine.
And if you go to shop and you go to candy pack.
Stop this coffee out of your throat.
Oh my God! Stop, Addie. If you go in the candy pack in the shop, then you can see that the stuff that we have, that the wallpaper and the flooring that we have, is actually in the candy pack. So yeah. So yeah. It's crazy.
Like a house tour of both of our houses.
Yeah.
So this is Silem's living room.
They're not with you, Addie. Jeez. So this is my living room. Don't mind the wall there. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. I'm locked. I'm locked in jail. I'm just kidding. I'm not. Okay, this is my couch. This is my TV.
You know, you could have just opened. Can you open this up, please?
Yes. This is my bedroom. Yay!
What the heck?
Here's my bedroom.
Why?
I closed you out, and I don't regret it.
Thank you.
I closed you out, and I really don't regret it.
And then this is. Wait, can I keep going your post?
No. Go play with your freaking toy, Millie. Jeez.
I know, she never. I'm trying to get mine to play on that. I bought her that, by the way, guys. But
yeah,
like,
she bought this.
It doesn't play on this one.
This is my room. I absolutely love this computer. This is the chocolate fart. And as you remember, all these wallpapers and these floorings are actually in the candy pack. Really?
Which is only for Plus only.
Yeah, which is for Plus only, or for Robux, I think. And we do not have Plus. And
we do not have Plus.
Yeah. See, there's not a Plus thing above our heads, and we don't have Robux, so that sucks. Yeah. But we looked in our wallpapers and floorings, and the Plus stuff popped up. Because apparently it's because our meeps have plus hair. When you go into the candy thing, when you go into candy pack, and you go to the last one, it says mint ice cream hair. Oh, you need 99 Robux to get this.
Where's the flamingo poster?
So,
why is it in your room? Flamingo's my favorite. I watch his videos more than you do.
So what? I actually need to move this because it's covering up my princess thing.
Wait, can you move your chair? I want to sit in your chair and then move it around like a bunch, and I want to see what it looks like.
God, child.
Oh my God, what are you doing?
You're dying.
Hello. Hello. Oh, what are you doing? Just spin me around and around and around and around.
No. I'm gonna lock you in here.
No.
Tell
I'm an epic turtle.
Come on. Do you want to see your room? Oh my God, child. I opened the door. This is the bathroom. I want to eat the wall right now. I really want to eat the wall. Why? Wait. Watch. This video has turned into a catastrophe. You gotta say yes, Papa. But everybody, let's end with something funny. Okay? Ready? You have to say yes, Papa, to everything.
Oh, God. our